Hello everyone, in today's video we will fix the Logitech MX Master 3S left click not working properly. So here is how you can easily fix this problem. The step 1 is to verify and reset the left click settings. So you can open the Logi Option Plus software. Then after you can go to its settings. Then here you will see the general setting where you can easily swap between left or right button. So make sure that it will not enabled. If it's enabled, now you can simple disable it because in the your once this feature is enabled, then your left click will be your right and right will be your left. Okay. The step 2 is to clean the left button and check for physical issue. So you can check for any kind of stucky, messy or unresponsive drafts or where may be the issue. So here you can press it many times and then hear some kind of issue like click click and tick tick. And also then after if you found you can simple wash it using a soft brush or you can use a compressed air. Don't use water and alcohol. Okay. Inside you can apply the brush inside the holes. Okay, in the gap. The next step is to check for software update firmware of your driver. to ch- to check of your mouse to check in our settings you can here see the firmware version, then simple tap on it to check for update. If the new version available you can download it. Right now you will see my software is up to date. Okay, then after you can move to next step is to check connection and minimize the interference. Ensure the mouse is properly connected via logic board receiver or bluetooth and replug the receiver into a different USB port. Okay, or repair the bluetooth. After that you can test it again. Okay, and the final step is to you can simple do a power cycle. To do a power cycle you can simple firstly slide down the power button to turn it off, then after remove the logic bolt receiver and also remove it from the bluetooth, and then after again turn it back on and then re-stabilize the connection using the bolt receiver and the bluetooth. So these are the steps that can help you to fix this problem. Goodbye.